So this EVGA power supply has been pretty much rock solid for me since I installed it about maybe a month and a half ago. I used this to replace an older PSU that's been failing. It's in this box right now, but this is the new PSU that came from here. This is non-modular, so if you look at all the plugs, you will have to route them. But this is the setup I have right now, and overall, this has been very, very good for me. I'm always a big fan of EVGA when it comes to our power supplies. I've been using them for years, multiple different models, different computers, and no issues with it whatsoever. As you can see, this power supply is hooked up to this graphics card right here. Is using one, and you can see the motherboard plug right there, and another plug right there, and all the non-modular stuff. As you can see, there's so many connections that you can add on to. In my case, I don't need all that stuff, so I just bundled the rest of it here and just tucked it right there. But you can see all the wiring I have behind right here on this loom, and it goes out to plug into, you know, the disk drive and the hard drives as well. Yeah, this power supply has, again, rock solid, no issues. My plugged it in and fired up the computer, worked well right out the gate, right out the box, and this is used to replace a failing PSU. So I stand by the EVGAs, and this is a 750. Definitely make sure to see what rods you would need, but in this scenario with this graphics card, it does its job very well.